Everyone, welcome back to my channel Learning Math with Shelly. I hope you all are doing good. Our today's topic is prime factorization. So in this video, what I'm gonna show you what is the meaning of prime factorization and how to do it. But before we dive into the actual process of prime factorization, there are few terms we must know. If you see this tree, we can see some numbers over here. The numbers are like 3, 4, 2, 5 and so on. Some of these numbers are categorized as prime numbers and one of the number is here as a composite number. So these are the requirements to understand this topic of prime factorization. We must understand the first term, what is the meaning of factors, what are the prime numbers and what are the composite numbers. So first thing is factors. Factors of a number are the whole numbers which divide it completely. For example, if I have a number 6, so this number, its factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6 because each of these whole number divides 6 completely. Completely means without leaving any remainder behind. Next is composite numbers. What are the composite numbers? The whole numbers with more than 2 factors, they are known as composite number. So for example, if I talk about 6, 6 is a composite number. Yes, because it has the factors, 4 factors it has. 1, 2, 3 and 6. So it has 4 factors. And then we talk about the prime numbers. Prime numbers are the whole numbers that have only 2 factors and those 2 factors are 1 and the number itself. So for example, if I am talking about number 3, 3 can be written as 1 times 3 only. So these are the 2 factors of 3. There are no other factors of 3. So 3 is a prime number. Now as we understand the concept of factors, composite numbers and prime numbers, now we are ready to understand the process of prime factorization. Now first of all, what is the meaning of prime factorization? Every composite number can be written as the product of prime numbers, or you can say it's prime factors, and this process is called prime factorization. So in prime factorization, we need to take one number and we need to write it as a product of the prime numbers. Those prime numbers can be 2, 3, 4. It depends upon the number itself. Now there are some specific steps to get the prime factorization of any number. Let's understand it through one example. So I will take the example of, let's say, a number 24. Now we can do prime factorization of every composite number. For prime numbers, we need not to do this thing because prime numbers only have the 2 factors. But this prime factorization is basically we do it for the composite numbers, because when you do prime factorization, the number becomes simple and every composite number is written as the unique product of the prime numbers. Let's understand this. So first of all, the number whose prime factorization we have to do, let's say that number is 24. Now I will write this 24 as a product of the 2 factors of 24. It can be prime or not prime, it does not matter. But yes, our main target is to reach up to the prime numbers. So 24 for me, because it's an even number, so I can choose it like 2 times 12. Now when I write this 24 in the form of its factor product, so I am writing it 2 times 12. Right? So 24 is written as 2 times 12. So I am writing these factors because I am generating, this is called as a factor tree. So now here already what I found, that this 2 is a prime number, so I circle it as a red color, so it will be unique for me, like okay, 2 is already a prime number, I need not to go further. Then I got the another number as 12, but again 12 is a composite number, and as long as we are getting composite numbers, we have to write it as a product of 2 next factors. So for 12, I can write 12 as 2 times 6. You can choose 3 times 4 as well. It does not matter. At the end, you will be getting same answer. So 12 means it will be written as 2 times 6. Again 2 is a prime number, so I circle it. But 6, it's not a prime number, it's a composite number, so I can further split it into two parts. 2 multiplied by 3. Now 2 is a composite number here and 3 is also a composite number here. So once I get all the numbers at the end as prime numbers, I can write now 24 as, the first prime number is here 2, then second prime number is again 2, and the next prime number again 2, and then we have 3. So 2 can be written as a product of these prime numbers, and you can check your answer also. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, and 8 times 3 is 24. Now as I told you that this 24 you can split it into 2 by 12, or you can find any other pair also. So let's try the another example with 24 but another set of factors. So 24, let's say I choose to write 24 as 4 times 6. So this is 4 and this is 6. And they both are composite numbers, so that means I can further split it as a product of two numbers. So 4 can be written as 2 times 2, and I see these both are prime numbers, so I will stop for this side here. And 6 can be written as 2 multiplied by 3, and 2 is a prime number and 3 is also a prime number, so I will stop here. So now 24 again can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 times by 3. So this is the prime factorization of 24. Every other number can be written as a product of its prime factors. Even if you choose 24 to start with 4 times 6 or 2 times 12, you are getting here a unique product of prime numbers for each number. Prime factorization is a very useful process. It is used in cryptography, error detection, all these processes. Thank you.